this year parang we're focused on work and gusto namin talaga timbangin yung mga priorities namin. Pero of course gusto namin our family to grow better. Pero syempre at the right time. So makikita niyo yung discussion namin dito sa season 4. Pero with Zion, you know, we're very happy na he's growing up and lumalabas yung personality niya. Naging makulit na siya, talkative, talagang everyday talagang na-enjoy namin kasama siya ngayon kasi ang dal-dal na niya. And yun, we're just blessed to have Zion right now. And kahit na busy kami dalawa ni Sarah, we're thankful na nandiyan yung parents ko to always take care of him and yung parents din ni Sarah, yung mom ni Sarah. So, yun, time management lang. Pero makikita niyo yung mga dynamics na yan sa season 4.